In this short tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to access a class's setting and what options you have when you get there. So, first thing you need to do is make sure that you click on the class that you want to change. And once you have clicked on that class, in the upper right hand corner, you're going to find a gear icon. Left click on that gear icon and then you are given these options. You of course can change the class's name, give a description of the class, like what may be expected. If there's a section number, your room number, and then of course you can add the subject that you teach. When you scroll down, you're given a few other things. You're given the class code, which you can of course display, copy, in case you want to send it through email, reset it. Say, for example, other kids are joining your class who are not supposed to, and you can just, of course, click reset it. Or you can disable it, meaning that anyone who enters that class code can now not enter. It blocks people from entering your class. You have the stream page. You're given some options there from the drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, this says students can post and comment. That means anything you put on the stream page, a student can comment on, plus they can also add their own posts. This is great if you're wanting to have the students add to the stream page or leave comments to other things kids add or to what you may add on the stream page. The students can only comment. This is where you post something, and then of course the students can comment on it. This is great if you're wanting to put something on the stream page and then have a discussion over that topic. The last one is only teachers can post or comment. This is where if you want to make sure that no one is putting anything inappropriate or unnecessary on the stream page, because of course that can become very bogged down and we want this to be used efficiently, and so of course you may just put only teachers can post or comment. Classwork on the stream, show condensed notifications. You can show attachment and details. You can condense it, make it smaller, or you can hide those notifications throughout the stream page. If you delete something, you can make that viewable, but of course only you will be able to see it. Or of course you can just toggle it over and make sure that it doesn't bog down when you are looking on the stream page. Guardian summaries, you can have that on to where they are able to see things that you have on the stream page. Underneath you have Classroom Meet. This is a link to it. You can make it visible to the students, or of course you can hide it. This is in case if you want to have it up at a certain time and you don't want students to access it. You can also change it at any time. That way, if you do have it displayed, you can just reset it, and then of course students will have to use that link now to reach you on Google Meet. Here's the grading. Now of course you probably will not be using this since we do use RDS, but there is a way to calculate grades by percentage if you want to. I hope this video helps you out on determining how to set up your class on Google Classroom.